Hi guys, today we're talking about currently not collectible status, how to stop IRS collections legally. I'm Scott Luke, enrolled agent, owner of TLC Action Tax Resolution and Representation. If you owe more than $25,000 and simply can't afford to pay right now, then this video is for you. What CNC is? It's currently not collectible status, means the IRS agrees you cannot pay without financial hardship. When approved, the collections stop, the levies stop, your wage garnishments stop, all the harassment stops, monthly payments are not required, interest may continue, but enforcement stops until a time in the future when and if it's possible that you can pay without extreme hardship. CNC is based on income, on necessary living expenses, on your household size, on your medical costs, and on your employment situation. Many people qualify and don't even know it, especially after job loss, illness, divorce, or business downturns. And instead of ignoring it, pursue action and see how we can help you. We calculate your financials using IRS standards, not guesswork. I prepare financial disclosures. I present hardship applications properly. I push back on unreasonable IRS demands. I monitor the account after approval. CNC is not automatic. It must be done correctly. If paying the IRS would create hardship, extreme hardship, real hardship, you have options. Scott Luke, enrolled agent, licensed to practice before the IRS, owner, TLC, Action Tax Resolution and Representation. Our website is www.tlctaxreliefpros.com and our phone number is 714-345-8489. You won't get unsolicited mail or phone calls. You need to reach out and call us, and I personally will go to battle for you.